As you heard from the last clip, this thing is running open header, which you can sort of see right now, but you know, white balance and stuff. So basically what we're doing today is we're going to take it and we're going to run from there to there. Then it's going to, wait, let me do this, enhance. Oh crap, there we go. Let's do it one more again. There we go. So it's going to go from there and it's going to split and go all the way out. And that's not going to be so loud, because apparently loud things are bad. We're going to be putting this exhaust together with muffler and pre-silencer from MagnaFlow, so thank you Chip Foose, thank you Mario Andretti. Hopefully it'll sound good because of you guys. Then we got some V-bands, they're vibrant, with these sweet like quick release setups. And then we got some 2.5 inch tubing from Vibrant. We got some 2 1/4 stuff down here. All of it's stainless, all the mufflers are stainless, so we're going to be TIG welding it together. So obviously we got our fancy mask and gloves and some clamps and whatever, and we're going to put it all together, and hopefully it's quiet enough that Caleb's ears don't bleed.
Lightning.
And here it is. All welded up. It's got duals, obviously, with this sweet Y pipe that we made real quick. And goes back to some fancy mufflers that I can't get in focus because they're just so shiny. And it looks like that. Lighting provided by Matthew.
Not too shabby for a little Dorito car.
Yeah, I tightened it.
I did?
It's not adjusted. You'll have to adjust it, but I definitely tightened it. Pop-ups. Bye-bye. Gonna get a sick JDM angle, mainly because I don't feel like standing. So I'm Slav squatting. Here he comes. Nailed it.